The given question is from test series 1, subject control system and chapter time domain analysis. The given question is as shown here. So g of s is equal to k by s of s plus 1 of s plus 2 is the system with the unity feedback, and we have to find the value of k such that it is the closed loop system which is stable, as well as velocity of error in the steady state should be 10%. So the given question is as that we have to find the value of k which will satisfy two conditions, which we have to find the stability factor which will satisfy two conditions, that is it should be stable also, and using that we have to get the velocity error which should be within 10%. So in order to solve this question, first let us find the velocity of steady state error for the given system. So for the velocity of steady state error, we have standard formula as ESS by 1 plus kV, where kV is nothing but limit of s tends to 0 in s into g of s. So we know what is g of s. Substituting that formula directly, that is limit of s tends to s into k of, this is g of s, this is k g of s, and simplifying will obtain k by 2, that is kV. So we know, but here in the given question we have steady state error which should be less than 10%, that is ESS steady state error is 0.1. So kV is 10, and we have obtained kV as 2 by k, which should be less than 0.1 because that is the given condition. It should be within 10%. So k value will be 20, and k value k value should be greater than 20. Sorry, k value should be less than 20. And in order to find the stability, we have the equation 1 plus g of s into h of s is equal to 0. We know that h of s is 1 as the system is feedback unity, and as the system is unity feedback, and we know the g of s value, and g of s value is already given. So reducing that equation, this equation to this, will obtain this and this equation, and comparing this equation with the root stability of criteria, in order to find the stability factor, we have to write the Roth stability table. So we know that A0 is directly this one, that is 1, and A1 is 3, and A2 is 2, and A3 is k. So in order to find B1, we have to multiply this one and this. So we'll obtain 6 minus k by 3, and B3 value is obtained by using this formula. So as we don't have A4 and A5 term, that will be equal, B3 will be equal to 0. So that is 0, and S0 is directly k. So what is the given condition? K should be greater than 0 and, sorry, it is not a given condition. K should be 0 and 6 minus k by 3 should be greater than 0 from the Roth table. So k is less than 6. So in order to match, so we have obtained the stability criteria as k is less than 6, that is k is less than 6, and stability factor k is, sorry, this is 20. Limit s, this is the mistake. Please students note down, this is the mistake. That is not 30, that is 20 to limit of steady state error. So we have obtained k is less than 20, k is greater than 20, and k is less than 6. So in order to obtain this condition, that is the value of k such that which the system should be stable and velocity of error, steady state error, is within the 10%, that is for that we have obtained k as less than 6 and k as greater than 20. So the limit of steady state error we have obtained, which is very much contradictory to meet both the conditions. So the answer is C. So from this question we learned what is velocity of steady state error, general formula, and how to find out the steady state error of the system, and how to find the stability and how to find the route stability factor, that is k, from the route stability equation. Thank you.